Namaste to one and all. Yes, as the headmistress said, this year's priority happens to be cooperation. We've been cooperating with you parents. You've been cooperating with the students. And we are cooperating with students too. As Diksha said, this year has been a jam-packed, eventful year. A beautiful year. We have been enjoying it all the while. Friends, in this year, in the beginning, we realized something. We realized that we are too big. We are a big organization. As we are growing, we are using society, we are taking the benefits given by the society. And it is the time, it is important for us to give back to society. So we took upon ourselves to work against child labor to start with. Yes, it was my brainchild to start street play, where we go to footpaths, to slums, to malls, propagating about how to work against child labor. And also, friends, before we started it, we first said, we shall educate all the children who belong to Ayahs before we start this campaign. So we took it on ourselves to educate 50 children. We have 25 Ayahs. So 2 children per ayah, 50 children we took upon financial benefit to educate. Thank you. I'm here for a very important purpose. Let me show you people the old logo. If we carefully look at this logo, this was designed 11 years ago. We can very clearly see a long path going. Yes, 11 years ago when we started Chitrakuta, we didn't know where we are heading at. But all we knew was, we are going a long way. It was indeed a long way. Yes, many a times we traveled alone. Many a times we fell on our face. We got bruises all around. There are marks yet to remind us about the sweet learnings we had. Yes, friends, it was a long way, many a times unbeaten path. But today, after 11 years, we know where we are heading at. We know the purpose. Our vision is very clear. So there is no need for us to have a long path. We want to fly and have a bird's view. Yes. So friends, to depict freedom, I now present in front of you all the new logo of Chitrakuta. Look at this beautiful logo. You can very evidently see a butterfly, which is talking about freedom, flying, enjoying the freedom, a colorful one. Yes, that is the main motto of Chitrakuta. If you clearly observe, you can see a child with the wings wide open flying. Yes, we want our children to fly high. If you carefully observe, you can see a book which talks about frozen wisdom. Observe it. Subtly you can see a book. You can see a paintbrush. We know as a school, we are responsible for painting the childhood of the child colorfully. We take it upon ourselves because I very clearly remember my beautiful childhood days, which is so colorful, and the role of my school in it. Today, we want to take it on ourselves to paint your child's childhood with beautiful colors. Friends, communication is something what we strongly believed in Chitrakuta. Yes, I remember 11 years ago, I started this practice of having 2 hours of group talk even before you people took admission to your child. That means we believed in communication. We believed it's only through communication we can clear the ambiguity. It's only through communication we can reach out. We can clear the confusion. And since then, we are tirelessly working to build communication with parents. Next, we even went to grandparenting, where we entered deep into your family and try to communicate with the child's grandparents. Then we thought, this is a group talk, a very general talk. We want to be giving a talk which is very personalized. So what we did? We started the good old method called school diary. But the technology flushed the school diary very soon, and we moved to email communication, where we were digitally communicating to you, and you were in turn communicating to us. We are one of the pioneer schools which took the initiation to install an app in your mobile, and we tried to get inside your pocket. Yes, friends, we made it more easy, effective, efficient, comfortable way of communication through mobile app. But the technology flushed the school diary very soon, and we moved to email communication, where we were digitally communicating to you, and you were in turn communicating to us. We are one of the pioneer schools which took the initiation to install an app in your mobile, and we tried to get inside your pocket. Yes, friends, we made it more easy, effective, efficient, comfortable way of communication through mobile app. Then we realized action speaks louder than words. So we started sending you the clips, video clips of what's going to happen inside the classroom, what is happening inside the school, so that you started having a lot of clarity about school's activity. In fact, we got a lot of appreciation for this, that you started enjoying and you started reliving the moments your child lived in the school. I think each and every school must take upon themselves to do it. Now we realize all these methods were only one-way communication. We want it not to be a monologue, but a dialogue, where I and you, school and you people, children and parents, will discuss about things. So we are taking another breakthrough, where we shall be getting into social media like Facebook, Google+. Through these medias, we want to engage you with us, with the discussion. In fact, I would want to stress on our blog in the new website. It is in this blog we post our articles, our videos and photographs. We put our opinion and keep it open to the entire forum to discuss. It is not about who is right. It is not about what is right. It's about discussing. It's about getting new ideas. An idea will lead to another idea. It's a forum to exchange ideas. So friends, please do come to our blog and engage yourself. With this, I would want to tell you that we are very happy to relaunch our website, www.chitrakuta.com, which will be more dynamic, more profound, more interactive, more mobile compatible. And here I take privilege to launch it. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.